In this question, to number is given at first. After that we have to add that to number and write next number up to 15 number. For this, at first let number 1 and number 2. Then print number 1 and number 2. Then create here loop from 3 to 15 to print 13 next additional 13 numbers. Now sum number 1 and number 2 and print third number and repeated loop is done up to 15th term. In this program, at first we are creating string data. Then one loop that print total number of text to one letter at last. Then use print form left along with loop. In this program, at first we are creating numeric variable to store principal, time, rate. Then we are using here formula of simple interest and print simple interest. In this program, at first we are creating loop from 1 to 12. Then print loop multiplying with 2 and subtracting 1 from it.